Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find security and lock screen. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on SIM card lock, and as you can see right here we've got the option change SIM pin, so let's tap on it. Right now we have to enter our current pin, so let me do it and confirm it with OK, and right now we have to enter the new one, so let me pick for example and tap on OK. Right now we have to retype it and tap on OK, and as you can see we've got the info that the SIM pin has been changed successfully. So from now on, if you will restart your device, then it will require the new pin you've just set. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your ASUS ZenFone 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.